Welcome once again. So in a few minutes, let me show you how I came up with this simple touch flyer design using Pixellab. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So let's get started. So for this particular design, I used the normal Pixellab size, which is 1280 by 1280. So let's import the background I used. So this was the background I used for this design. So I got this background from Pinterest. So go ahead and lock it up. Then let's import the next icon I used. So I also got this from Pinterest. This is picture of someone worshiping. So I got the picture, then I blend both the pictures and the background together. So this is it. I can come to opacity and I'll reduce it. Then come to color filter and let's increase it to 136, and then come to brightness. This is brightness. You can increase it to blend perfectly with the background. So this is it. Go ahead and lock it. So the next thing, let me import the shield I used. So this here is the particular shield I used for this design. This is it. So let's bring in this design and use it as reference. Increase it to 100 and then centralize it. So this is the shield. I increased the size. I dragged it from here and then centralize it. So I have to blend this shield. I have to blend the color of the shield to correspond with the color of the background. So you can see the color of the shield, then you can see the color of the shield on the flyer design. So click on this shield I just imported, then come to color filter and blend it to rhyme with the color of the background we are using. So this is it, something like this. So something like this is okay. Hue -19, saturation -7, and brightness -8. So something like this. You can still come to opacity and reduce it a little bit. Let's say 90. 90 is not bad. So centralize it and place it like this. So this is it. Go ahead and lock it up. Then the next thing I did, let me import this particular picture I used. So this is the picture I used. This is it. So import it. So whenever I import any picture on Pixellab, I'll first of all reduce the saturation of the picture. So come to color filter and reduce the saturation to -20. So increase the size and then place it here like this. So something like this is not bad. Go ahead and lock everything. So the next thing I did here, come to shape, then scroll until you see gradient. Click on gradient, then click on this plus icon here. This first one, click on it and then reduce this and increase this like this. Then come over to this one, click on this and change it to black. So this is what we've gotten. Increase it like this and place it somewhere here. So let me disable this flyer. So this is it. This is the before and this is the after. So leave it like this. Then you can centralize it. Then come here and lock it as well. So the next thing I did, I achieved this particular text effect I achieved it using Photopea. So it's very simple. I also dropped a tutorial video on how to edit PSD text effects using Photopea. So you can go ahead and watch that particular video. So I did many text effects, but I ended up using just one. So this was the particular one I used. This is it. So let me import this flyer. So I'll have to blend this text effect to also fit in. I'll have to blend the color. So but before that, take a look at this shield. You see a white line. So I don't like this white line. Then I'll import a black shape and I'll cover up that line. This is the shape. Then I used it to cover this line on the shield. So place this here and that is it. So take it behind the picture like this and then lock it up. So the line is not showing again. So bring in this text effect here. Bring in this text effect, increase the size, centralize it, and you can see the color of the text effect is totally off from the color of the background and the shield. So still come back to color filter and let's blend it. You can just reduce the saturation. You can see that yes, the color is fitted now. So take this behind the picture on top of the shield. Yes, something like this. So you can lock it up and let's take it down a little bit, or let's take the picture up rather. This picture, click on the picture and then take it up like this. So yeah, this is it. So let me import the next icon I used. So this is the icon. This is it. So reduce the size. So reduce the size like this, and then centralize it, and then take it behind the picture like this. So you can still come to color filter and reduce the saturation. So this is it. Go ahead and lock it up as well. So the next thing I did here, let me import this location icon and the other icon I used. Click on here and scroll up. So this is it, I think. Okay, yeah, this is it. Then place it somewhere here. Somewhere here is not bad. So we will come to the arrangement. Let me import this location icon. So I've searched and I couldn't find the particular location icon I used, but I think we'll go with this. I think it's the same thing. Oh, it's not the same thing, but let's work with this, because I was unable to find the particular one I used. So reduce the size and place it somewhere here. Then go ahead and write I made a mistake. So change the font to, so I used Nexa for this particular design. Nexa, I pick this one, this, and then this and this. So for this particular font, for this particular text, I use Nexa Heavy. Then reduce the size like this. So I'm rushing it for the sake of this tutorial, so you can take this up a little bit. So place this here and then increase the size, copy it and write yes, this is it. So change the font. We are still using the same Nexa, but we choose a lighter font this time around. So change it to Nexa regular and then reduce the size. Reduce the size like this. So this is it. I'm just rushing it for the sake of this video. This video is getting long already. So the next thing I did here, let me import this stuff. I wrote this icon on. So this is it, and reduce the size and change the color to white. So I always face a lot of stress when I'm trying to get the particular font I used or the particular resources I used for any design, because I have too many resources on my phone, and getting the particular resources I used for any design, it really takes much time. But I'm still trying to rush the video. So this date icon, this date I used black for the main color. Then come over to background, increase it, click on this color picker and then pick this color. So you can check the color code, which is F1AE55. So increase it, left padding 2, right padding 2, top 2, then bottom 2. You can change the radius to 5 or 4. So it's not bad like this. Change the size, increase the size a little bit, then bring it down like this. So go ahead and copy it, then you write Friday 13th July 2025. So this is it. Okay, Friday. So this is it. Come over to background, disable it, change the color to white, and then come over to font, highlight this Friday and highlight only Friday, and then change the color, change the font to Nexa regular. So that was how I achieved that. So come to size and reduce it, then let's align it properly. So I imported something here. Yeah, this is it. So bring it down like this. So I'm just trying to rush this for the sake of this video, so you can take your time and properly align it. So bring it here, then take this up, copy it, and then write date. Change the color to black and then change the size, and then you bring it like this. So I think that's all. Oh, I forgot to write something. So copy this and write reduce the size and then place it here. So that is it. Copy it and write, copy it and write width. Change the color to the same color we used. This is the particular color. Then come to padding, increase it 25. Then change the font to orthography. This is the font I used, orthography. This is it. So reduce. Okay, let's change it to small letter. Reduce it like this and place it here. So that is it. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so you get notified whenever I drop any interesting video like this. I forgot something. Change it to white. and then place it here. So that is it. That is it. So we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. We are almost done. Reduce the size. Then make sure it's in the same line with this. Then place it here like this, the same line, and then go ahead and write the name of the church. So I will not be writing it, I'll be cutting the video here. So subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I drop an interesting video like this. So try this out and let me know if it's worked for you. I'll see you on the next one.
From the first sketch to the last refine, trust your boys.